Hi, welcome to Kelvin's Kitchen. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. On today's episode, we're making the ultimate inside-out grilled cheese sandwich. Coming up. Take some real butter and melt it in the pan. You're going to need a non-stick pan for this. Make sure that the butter has melted before you lay out the bread. And there's only one bread for grilled cheese, and of course that is white bread. And there's only one cheese for this sandwich, extra sharp cheddar cheese. You're probably wondering, what about American cheese? I said there's only one cheese, extra sharp cheddar cheese. American cheese is not real cheese. We have one slice of cheese inside. We flip the top over. Now that top was just on that hot pan. Now I'm going to add another slice of cheese on top. The heat from that butter is going to melt the cheese slightly. I'm going to flip it over so the cheese is down. And we're going to add another slice of cheese on top. Now we're going to toast it slowly on medium-low heat. You don't want it too high, you don't want it to burn. You want the cheese to melt nice and slow. You don't want the cheese to burn, you want it to get crispy and caramelized. After 3 minutes on one side, we flip it over so we can get the other side nice and toasty as well. Cook for another 3 minutes on this side, and our inside-out grilled cheese sandwich is done. This sandwich should be called inside and out grilled cheese sandwich because you have cheese on the outside and the inside. And here you have it, guys, inside out grilled cheese sandwich. Melted cheese in the inside and crispy cheese on the outside. What else can you ask for? Guess what time it is? Let's give it a try. You have that nice crispy layer on the outside plus the melted cheese inside. This is the ultimate grilled cheese sandwich. Enjoy! If you guys enjoyed this recipe, please consider subscribing. Leave me some comments down below. Give it a thumbs up. And YouTube wants you to watch that recipe on that recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.